We made it, almost. We got Maeve, we got Bethany, we got Rebecca. We're up. We're gonna be doing Giant and Rocky Peak Ridge Peak. It's about 7:30, which apparently is not early enough because all the parking's full. So I parked up the road a little bit. We gotta go down there. We're only probably quarter mile, half mile up the road, and then we'll be at the trailhead. We're gonna go via Roaring Brook Falls. I don't know if you can see my breath. Holy shit, can't even talk. It's a brisk 29 degrees out here. I can't feel my hand. Super well prepared. I knew I was forgetting something, and that's water. So not the best start I've ever had to a hike, but Bethany brought almost a gallon of water, and my sister has my Camelback, which is another 3 liters, so I think we'll be all right. All right, let's go. So we're gonna go past Roaring Brook Falls, 0.3. Giant's Nubble, which sounds a little dirty, to be honest. Not sure what that is. And then 3.6 to the top. Not too bad. All right, we're about half mile in. Maybe about 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. You can see we've already gained decent elevation. We parked down there. We're at the top of Roaring Brook Falls. I'm gonna attempt to get a better view, probably go over on that side, see what we could see. All right, so here's Roaring Brook coming down. You can see it just kind of goes over the edge here, so we'll walk over to this other side, see if we can get a view. Try not to fall down the waterfall to my death. So already we're not up too high, but great views. I mean, beautiful day. Really couldn't really ask for a better day than this right here. All right, so we passed a junction, met up with the other main trailhead going up to Giant. It's about, so at that junction there's 2.5 miles left. Probably went about a half mile since then, so only about 2 miles to the summit, which is real solid. We're making really good time. Becca's loving it.
I love it, it's beautiful.
All right guys, we're about 0.3 miles from the summit. Got Rebecca, we got Bethany and Maeve. And as you can see, there's a lot of frost up here. This is really cool, what we're coming up to. So we got, it's almost like winter up here. You got these trees, frost all over them. But then if you see out there, we still got all the fall colors. And it's an awesome contrast between the seasons. So I'm pretty pumped. This hike is going really well. We're making really good time. And if you could see, maybe just through there, that peak, or actually, now that I think about it, that peak up there. Let's go. Hey, we made it. We are up at the top. Giant Mountain. It's been about 3 hours. Any comments? No.
I fell 10 times. On top of the world.
All right, we're at the top of Giant Mountain. We're having some snacks. We got Rebecca over here, Bethany, and we got Maeve. She's loving this frost. She's never seen frost before. She's only 7 months old, so she's going a little wild. And this is our lunch spot.
Stunning. Do you see that body of water over there? It's like a pond. Hello. The update is that we came from over there and now we're here. We've officially peaked twice.
All right, we made it to Rocky Peak Ridge Peak. We came from right there. That's giant. It's actually kind of a treacherous hike because, as you see, we had to come down through this huge valley. It's probably about 1,000 or 1,500 feet, and then back up to here. So, but it's awesome. We got like 360 views up here. We got the same view we had plus a little more. You can see back here is Whiteface and some mountain that's next to Whiteface, probably Esther, I think. But yeah, it's really awesome. Glad we did it. Back to Giant from Rocky Peak Ridge. And I just want to give you an idea. So I said we came down a pretty long way and hiked back up. So we came, yeah, you can't see that way. That's Giant. So we came obviously down a pretty good way. We're about to hike back up that rock slide over there, pretty sure. Actually, nope, that one right in front of us. So basically gonna go straight back up that, and then about 3.5 miles to the car. Woohoo. And we're done.